Are you looking for the best yoga mats? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best yoga mats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bestyogamat overall. Dimensions, 71x24 and or 79x24 thickness, 4.7 mm weight, standard, 4 pounds, long, 4.5 pounds material, PVC. Relisa has used the Prolite for both yoga sessions and at-home body weight exercises, and he loves how its surface feels slightly tacky when dry, which helps with grip. When I started to sweat, I noticed that it lost its grip a little, but not so much that I slipped or became unstable, he says. 3 of the yogis we talked to named Manjika's Prolite mat as their go-to for daily practice. The Manjika mat is indulgent, it's grippy, soft, and breaks in very well, says yoga instructor Kyle Miller. And while the mat certainly isn't the least expensive of the ones on this list, Miller told us it holds up well over time. Kristen Nichols, an instructor at Y7 Studio, agrees that Manjika is a quality brand and that its lightweight mats are durable. She also notes that the mat can get slippery, but it's designed to make you engage more. Alexandria Bertsenk, a private yoga instructor, is a fan of Manjika's Prolite mat as well and says she uses it both for home practice and for teaching at her studio. I prefer the texture of this mat over rubber mats because it makes flowing through transitions smoother while also offering enough traction so that my hands don't slip in down dog, she says. According to Bertsenk, the mat also offers comfortable, full body support. It provides cushioning for the joints without sacrificing stability in standing postures. And if you're carrying it to the studio, Nichols notes this one is easy to take on the go. Number 2. Best less expensive extra grippy yoga mat. Length, 68x24 and or 78x26 thickness, 5 mm weight, 4.25 pounds material, PVC. If you're looking to create a hot yoga experience at home, you need a mat that can maintain its grip when you sweat it out. This 5 mm thick mat from Gayam comes recommended by Bethany Lyons, the founder of Lyons Den Power Yoga. I just love the feel and grip of this mat, she says. Fashion designer Eileen Fisher, who's done yoga for over 40 years and practiced daily for over 17 years, is also a big fan of this Gayam mat. Fisher says its 5 mm thickness offers just the right amount of cushioning and adds that it isn't slippery. The grippy top coating that keeps its stickiness when damp, which helps your hands and feet stay grounded. Number 3. Best cushioned yoga mat. Our best overall yoga mat is actually the lighter version of this super cushy mat. While the light mat is a crowd pleaser with its middle-of-the-road thickness and commute-friendly weight, the Pro is for those seeking a truly plush feel. At 6 mm thick, it's the most cushioned mat on our list, but at 7.5 to 9.5 pounds, depending on the length, it's also the heaviest, so it's maybe not the best pick if you're carrying it from home, to work, to the studio, and back. Sarah Neufeld, co-founder of Moto Yoga, tells us that she always uses Manjika mats and that the Pro is her go-to for at-home practice. When you get the Pro, at first it feels slippery, but then a couple of weeks into using it, it starts to get perfect, she says. 5 to 10 years later, it gets even better and stays grippy. Neufeld notes that the Manjika Pro mat is really heavy, but that it gives a lot of support. Heather Lil Eston and Caitlin Sisson, the founders of Yoga for Bad People, agree, for home practice, a bit more cushion and density are sometimes nice, they told us. For that, we love the Manjika Pro. And though it's a bit more expensive, Neufeld says it's a worthy investment, it's thicker and will last forever, so I'm willing to spend more on it, she says.